So the equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is 0. The points a, 1, 1 and b lie on the circle. Find the values of a and b and hence the coordinates of the center. Very easy. First, we'll just plug in the values of a and b because they lie on the circle. X ki jagah we'll plug in 1. Y ki jagah also 1 when I'm talking about a. A into 1 plus b into 1 minus 12 is 0. So a plus b minus 10 is 0. A is equals to 10 minus b. This is one equation which connects a and b. Another equation I can get by plugging in the coordinates of b minus bx is 2, y is negative 6, a into 2, b into negative 6, minus 12 is 0. 4 plus 36 plus 2a minus 6b minus 12 is 0. So 2a minus 6b minus 40 minus 12 is 40, 10, 30, 48. This is another equation. You can plug in your a, which is 10 minus b in this one, and simultaneously solve both the equations and tell me the values of a and b. So you people are telling me that a is 4 and b is 6 when you simultaneously solve both the equations. So if you have a as 4, that means now you can write your equation in this way. 4x plus 6y minus 12. I have told you a trick. What is the easier trick? Agar is expanded form, so you want to find the center. Take the coefficient of x and divided by minus 2. Divided by minus 2. Take the coefficient of y and divide it by minus 2. So you can easily get your center through this. 4 upon minus 2, comma 6 upon minus 2. This is the easiest way to get your center from the expanded form. And your center is minus 2, comma minus 3. This detail you can find in the other video as well. इसमें पूरा मैंने बताया कि why do we do this? क्यों होता है ये? अभी 11th hour पे I'd rather not recommend you to go through the entire detail. If you want to, you always have that resource. Second part, find the equation of the tangent to the circle at point A. Giving your answer in the form of px plus qy. So in order to find the tangent, what in equation of a straight line, what two things do we need? Very good. Do we have the point? Which one? A, which is 1, comma 1. We already have the point. So we are only searching for one thing, which is the gradient. First, we'll find the gradient of radius. कौन सा radius? The radius from center to A. Radius from center to A. So the coordinates of center are minus 2, minus 3, and A is 1 and 1. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x. So what is the gradient of radius? This 9. Cannot be 2. Try again. 4 by 3 is the gradient of the radius. So what will be the gradient of the tangent? Negative reciprocal of this, because radius and tangent are perpendicular. Now y minus y1 is equals to m bracket x minus x1. Y minus 1, gradient is minus 3 by 4 x minus 1. I've used the coordinates of A. 4 bracket y minus 1 is negative 3 bracket x minus 1. 4y minus 4 is negative 3x plus 3. Now plus 3. So bring 3x over here, 3x plus 4y, and 4 goes over there is equals to 7. So we have got it in the form that the question was asking, and this is the equation of the tangent to the circle at point A. Are there any other parts to this question? That's it. Is this clear?